blizzard warning in effect from 5 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time this afternoon. What? Blizzard conditions. Additional snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour. Where? All of South Dakota. This includes the city of Sioux Falls. When? Until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time this afternoon. Additional details plan on slippery road conditions. Widespread blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Strong winds may cause damage to power lines and trees. A blizzard warning means severe weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are possible. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making all travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay in your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management Agency. A strange situation is occurring within the blizzard that is currently impacting the state of South Dakota. The South Dakota State Police have received over 1,000 reports of missing people over the course of the past 2 hours. Many of the reports stated that the persons walked outside and were never seen or heard from again. It is speculated that there is a deadly evil lurking in the storm, but it is not confirmed. At this time, lock and secure all your doors, windows, or any other possible entrances to your home or business, and do not venture outside at any given time. Filter the most central part of your home or business, and do not make your presence known. Turn all lights off. Board up all heating and ventilation systems. Ensure that nothing can get in or out. Keep a battery-powered radio with you. Remain sheltered in place until the threat has been lifted. Stay tuned to this station for further updates. Stay tuned to the station for more emergency updates.